If you want to fix your forgotten PIN, password, or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy A57, it's fairly simple. You have to perform a hard reset. Now, performing a hard reset erases all of your data, but it does allow you to set up your phone and simply access everything on it as long as you have your account details. Now, in order for you to hard reset your phone, you're going to have to start by force shutting it down, accessing recovery mode so that you can hard reset. To do that, you're going to need your laptop, whether it's a Windows PC or a Mac, and you're going to need a data cable. Then you're going to use the data cable, so you're going to plug it into the phone and into the computer. And once they've been plugged in, because you can see the charging animation, you now want to force shut down your phone as you navigate to recovery mode. Now, entering recovery mode is fairly simple. The button combination is volume down and side button at the same time. When the screen goes off, you move your finger from side volume down to volume up. When the Samsung logo appears, you remove your finger from the side button, but continue pressing volume up until you enter recovery mode. So let's go ahead and do so. Side button, volume down, wait for the screen to go off. And then move to volume up and side button. And then let go of side button and continue pressing volume up. This will bring you to the recovery mode menu, and you're going to use the volume down to scroll and select wipe data/factory reset. Use your side button to select that choice, then scroll down again and select factory data reset. By doing so, you can see at the bottom it's saying wiping data, data reset, wipe complete. Once it says data wipe complete, you can now go ahead and select reboot system now and wait for your phone to successfully restart after having performed a factory data reset. Once the wipe is complete, you'll be brought to the welcome page that you received when you first started setting up your A57. So now all you need to do is simply select start and go through the process of now setting up your phone. And then, because you factory resetted, you'll be prompted to enter in your pattern to confirm it's you. But because you've forgotten your pattern, you're going to select Use My Google account instead. Now, all you need to do is simply put in your Google account info and then put in your password after you confirm that you're not a robot. And then if you need to confirm that it's you, go ahead and do so. And once you've done that, it will prompt you to now sign in as it's confirmed that it's you who's trying to access your factory reset device. So you can choose to skip and do that later once you've finished setting up your device completely. So go ahead and just finish up the remaining processes that are remaining. And then once you've finished up, just select home and you'll have successfully bypassed your forgotten PIN, password, or pattern. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.